Hello guys! What's up? Today, nandito tayo sa Chiang Rai. So, check natin yung famous Glow Temple dito. So, this is the one of the most eye-catching temples in all of Thailand. So, everything here is blue from the walls to the intricate designs. So, nakita nyo yung Naga statues, yung parang dragon na nasa gilid ng mga hagdan. So, it looks like alive. It's like it pulling you right into the heart of the temple. So, ayun na nga, naglalakad ako dito. Iwanan pa rin yung shoes. Yung shoes. Ha? Sa'yo. Tara. So as you walk through the entrance, guys, the detail starts to hit you. Every curve, every pattern, every shade of the blue feels intentional, like the whole temple is telling a story. So kanina, yung Naga serpents na nagagard sa gate kanina, before tayo pumasok, silly detail. Even the smaller statues, yun, nakikita nyo, the patterns of their own stories. Look at that, guys. The artwork inside is just breathtaking. It feels like modern but still deeply spiritual siya. Like you're stepping into a living painting. And here it is, guys, the highlight of the Blue Temple. Look at that massive white Buddha in there. The way it glows against the blue mural, that's what makes this place magical. Sobrang ganda, bagay na bagay yung mga kulay sa blue na pinaint nila. Magical talaga siya. So na nga guys, as we step down onto the grounds, when you see the blue theme, it hits you instantly. Well, the whole place feels vibrant and alive. It looks like almost the temple is glowing under the sun. Wow, the architecture here is so unique. Every curve, edge, the tiny design is decorated with deep blues and shining shimmering gold. It's basically art in temple form. Even before going inside, the outside alone is worth the visit. The patterns running along the walls, the sharp gold scents, and the way everything blends together, it makes all the temple look unreal from every angle. Wow, and the grounds are really peaceful. You can just work around, take your time, and take all the details you probably missed at the first glance. Every statue out here has its own personality too. Nothing feels like random. Everything contributes to the story and the energy of the temple. So guys, alright, we're here at the back of the temple now. A lot of people miss this part, but it's definitely worth checking out. And look at this, guys, there's a beautiful statue back here. It's like quieter on this side, so you can really take in the details without the crowd. So guys, if you visit, make sure you walk all the way around. You'll definitely find hidden gems like this. Guys, that wraps up our visit to the Blue Temple here in Chiang Rai. Honestly, this place blew me away. It's artistic, peaceful, and unlike any other temple I've seen before. So if you're coming to northern Thailand, make sure you don't skip this one. So guys, drop a like if you enjoyed today's adventure. Hit subscribe for more travel content, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.